Hi, everybody. Welcome to 411 Wood Springs Road in the beautiful town of Grange, Kentucky. I am famous Shelly Gardner, and I work for the Rhonda Roberts team at Keller Williams Louisville East. I want to show you this great listing that I have. It's fantastic. So come on with me and we'll go check it out. Welcome to 411 Wood Springs Road in beautiful LaGrange, Kentucky. This home is located in the Old Anita Springs neighborhood, which is located near downtown LaGrange. And if you know anything about LaGrange, it has a lot to offer. Great shopping, family activities, and a wonderful farmer's market in the summertime. So let's go in and see this wonderful house. It has an open floor plan with split bedrooms. And first we're going to check out the kitchen. One thing I like about the kitchen, right there in those doors, you've got a hidden laundry area. The kitchen opens up into a humongous garage with very high ceilings, perfect for a high-profile vehicle, and then all the appliances in the kitchen stay. As we come out into the living room, onto the open floor plan, we're going to check out two of the side bedrooms, both large-sized rooms, and they are separated by a really nice-sized full bath. Perfect for family members, guests, and visitors. The primary suite is located across the living room, and it's completely en suite. You have your own bathroom and a very large walk-in closet. As we leave the primary, we're going to go outside and we're going to check out the outside living space, which is just as important as your inside. There's a large deck, perfect for grilling, hanging out with your friends and family, having a bite to eat, and just relaxing. I mean, look at that view. And as we come back inside, I'm going to show you the favorite part of the house. My favorite part is the downstairs. This is a completely separate living area. You can easily close it off from upstairs. As you come down on the left, we're going to see unfinished storage, which also houses the second laundry room in the house. There's a kitchenette just here off to the left. And then with these 9-foot ceilings and the brightness of this room, it's very easily converted into a dining area, a living area, can be a room for watching movies. But if you did have a generational need, this is a really good option. You have an incredibly large bedroom here. This is as big as the primary bedroom upstairs. And then just around the corner, you have a full-size bathroom, a double vanity sink, and a walk-in shower. There is extra storage down here. And then you have your own separate entrance right out to the driveway. The driveway is extra large, so there's plenty of parking for everybody. And of course, it goes right into the 2-car attached garage. And finally, this beautiful view.